Hi, my lovely Taurans. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Taurans, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of April 2023. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Taurans, also if any of this resonates with you, if you feel this is your story, please do give the video a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel, guys. Drop comments, feel free to share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, for you, while pre-shuffling, there were a couple of messages that were coming through very dominantly. Sagittarian energy, the Temperance card has flipped yet again. It was showing up in your pre-shuffling also, which is basically asking you guys to have patience, you guys to keep calm, keep your calm, maintain balance. Okay, this specifically is coming for a group of people who are probably going through some conflict. Okay, it need not be that you are the direct participant in the conflict. For example, you are, let's take an example of workplace. You are dealing wherein the team members for which you are working, or the team that you are managing, might have certain conflicts, and you are very patiently trying to resolve those conflicts, and making sure that everything functions smoothly. So that is where the angels are asking you to step up and really not to lose your calm. Okay, another message that was, or another energy that was coming through very strongly is, for some of you guys, there could be certain situation that was stuck for a long time, like you have been going about this situation in circles, and not making any progress, and suddenly there is progress in that situation. Okay, lot of forward movement, lot of communication. Okay, the Chariot energy was there, Cancerian energy. I saw 8 of Wands also, lot of communication, lot of messages being exchanged. Okay, I feel that some of you guys might travel also. Okay, there is a group of people who has probably planned a travel, could be a vacation. Okay, and maybe you have done all your research, and you have done your bookings, and you're just waiting for flying, or waiting to go wherever it is that you have planned. Okay, lot of communication is what I saw. For some of you guys, your partner, okay, or your soulmate or twin flame, whoever it is, he or she might get a lot of money. Okay, lot of money. Could be they might get promotion, they might get award, recognition. I do not know what it is, or they might get money through inheritance probably. Okay, that could also be possible, but lot of money coming your way through your spouse or partner, whatever it is. I also saw, for some of you guys, if at all you are having any if you are having any idea, okay, if you get some new idea, you just go about it. Okay, just go and implement it before you start having second thoughts. Do not just sit on that idea and look back and be fearful of implementing that idea. Okay, that message was coming through very strongly. Some of you guys could also be overworked. Okay, so see if you can see this is what I was talking about. Some of you guys are literally feeling stuck in some situation. Okay, some sort of conflict, and it's like you are not able to understand how to get yourself out of this. Okay, but I feel that this is the energy wherein there will be some sudden change. Okay, and you'll just come out of this situation. By the way, I saw Ace of Pentacles also. So some of you, if you guys are going through such conflict at workplace, you might get a new job opportunity which will kind of break this cycle for you. Okay, I had seen Wheel of Fortune along, I don't remember which card it was, Wheel of Fortune and Okay, Wheel of Fortune had come up with some other cards which told me that something stagnant is going to gain energy all of a sudden. Okay. Okay, Chariot. Talk about Chariot and it's here. I'll just give one last shuffle and we'll be good to go. Okay, let's get started, guys, and see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Two major arcanas in your recent past. Taurus. Okay. Wow. Scorpion energy over here. Wow. Some of you guys might be waiting. Oh my goodness, the Sagittarian energy, the Temperance has been like showing up very, very strong. Oh gosh, I will stop, otherwise I'll just keep on pulling cards. There are so many major arcanas in this reading, guys. Right from Death to Fool to Wheel of Fortune, Emperor. Like, what is happening, Taurus? What is happening? I am definitely going to stop at that because the reading gets really lengthy. Let me see. I think we are good, right? Yeah. Okay, so let me start with your recent past. The recent past talks about Death and the Emperor. Oh my goodness, this definitely is giving me a lot of intense energy. There are a couple of scenarios that I can see over here, guys. For some of you guys, you guys might have actually gone through a major transformation. Okay, major transformation. Some incident, some event in your life that could have literally, changed you as a person is what I am seeing, guys. Emperor and Aries energy coming through over here. Sorry, not Emperor and Aries and Scorpion energy coming through over here. I also feel that for some of you guys, now this is at a very spiritual level. So for some of you guys, someone who has transited in your family. Okay, someone could be elderly. Okay, but this person is kind of watching you over as an angel. Okay, like it's literally giving me an energy of an angel watching you over. Okay, and this angel is actually taking care of you. You might not be realizing it. Okay, it's like it could be actually pulling you out of some troublesome situations. Okay, and you're not even realizing it. So definitely it could be your it could be your father, or it could be your grandfather, great grandfather, or could be a female's version also. Okay, but someone who is really watching you over from the other realm. Okay, and it's a very intense and it's a very powerful energy that is coming through, guys. I also feel that some of you guys might be dealing with a Scorpio, and some of you guys might be you guys might be having what do I say, how do I put it, you guys might be having an affair with a Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, see if you have any of these signs in your birth chart, or you have you're dealing with this person. If so, go and check those readings as well. But I see that there's going to come a lot of there's going to be a lot of exchange of messages, communication happening between two people. I also feel that some of you guys are going to get some brand new opportunity. Now this opportunity is something that is going to spark your interest. It's going to it's going to be in line with your liking, with your passion. It could be an opportunity which will, or it could be a message that will give you an opportunity to take your passion to a professional level. Okay, you might just get creative. You might start your vlog, YouTube channel, whatever. Okay, and so you might enter into a creative space that will give you money as well. Okay, if it's a love affair, I see this one to be a very very passionate affair. Okay, it's see, Page of Wands and Ace of Wands are just facing towards each other. Okay, and whoever this messenger is, I see exchange of lot of heated message and communication is what I'm saying, guys, to whoever this is applicable. And please do not take any offense and lash back at me. I'm just rendering the messages as they are without my own this thing into it. Okay, also guys, for some of you guys, there could be, like I said, there is a major transformation. Okay, Death card is significant of transformation or major life churning events. Okay, now this could be a life churning or life turning opportunity for some of you guys. Okay, if it's a new job or if it's a new assignment, it's going to be something which you have never done before. Okay, but you would definitely love to do something like that. Okay, very very creative is what I'm getting. If it's a love affair that you're dealing with or are involved in, either of you is very very creative, like very creative is what I'm saying, guys. Someone who is brimming with lot of ideas. Okay, and very passionate about life in general as well is what I'm saying, guys. Some of you guys are going to experience a lot of familial bliss. Okay, you guys, when it comes to your family or relationship matter, you guys are being extremely responsible. You are being extremely mature, especially when it comes to your finances. You are making sure that you are saving a lot of money. You are not spending extravagantly. Okay, and you are definitely investing or making investments or saving money for the future of your family and loved ones, or if be it your spouse, be it your kids. Okay, that's what I'm seeing over here, guys. I feel that some of you guys, might have gotten, this is in your immediate future, by the way. Some of you guys might get an opportunity, and it will be like you won't be disclosing it to the world until the final results or until the final stages. Okay, that's what I'm seeing, guys. It's like let the success speak for me, that kind of energy I'm getting, guys. Definitely someone who is keeping up to himself or herself, lying very low, working in silence, and bam, one day everyone is going to be surprised by whatever it was that you were up to. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Very very interesting energy, guys. I had never seen such an energy for you guys. I have never pulled such an energy for you guys. It's a mix of lot of things basically, and your overall energy is also very interesting. I have strong feeling that some of you guys are planning a vacation. Okay, definitely you guys are planning a vacation. Maybe you have, like I said, you guys have already planned this break through and through. You have done your research, you have already done your bookings, guys. All you're left, or all you're waiting is for that time. Okay, that vacation time wherein you can fly. So many wands, guys. I am very sure you are dealing with a fellow Sagittarian, or not Sagittarian, fellow fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you have fire somewhere in your birth chart very very strongly. If that is the case, do check out those placements. You'll definitely get additional insights. Okay, see, look at right from Page to Two of Wands to Ace of Wands, Three of Wands. Like, what do I say more? Okay, yeah, some of you guys are definitely in for a break, and you are going to take that break with your family is what I'm seeing. Okay, wherever it is you're going, guys, have blast, have fun. Everyone deserves a break, and you must take break. It definitely helps. Okay, some of you guys are in the Nine of Pentacles energy. 9 is followed by 10. Like I said, some of you, someone here is very much single, and or in his or her full glory. Okay, you are experiencing financial bliss, you are experiencing financial freedom, and otherwise too. I feel this energy is someone who is single, not attached to anyone yet, not committed, and you are just having best time of your life, guys. Some of you guys are definitely due for promotion also is what I'm getting, guys. You are definitely in for a promotion very very soon, or if not promotion, you're in for a lot of money and prosperity is what I'm saying. The source could be anything. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Wheel of Fortune is what has shown up over here, guys. death card and wheel of fortune, something major is happening in your life. Okay, your life is changing in a big way. Okay, it's like end of one chapter and beginning of new chapter. Okay, for some of you guys, and big karmic lessons happening. Could be that the recent past energies might be a little tough to deal with, but need not be. Okay, I do not see any sad event over here. Whatever this event could be, it could be a happy event also. For the change need not be always painful. Okay, the wheel of fortune could be a happy one, happy turn as well. And in this energy, in this spread, I definitely see it's a happy event. Okay, wish fulfillments, okay, is what I'm seeing. Nine of cups, nine of pentacles, guys. It's like you are just reaching for the stars. I feel that some of you guys are actually practically living a dream life wherein all your wishes are coming true. Okay, and you are just experiencing bliss in both your personal level as well as professional level, and which is a very good thing, guys. Just look at the smile this person is holding on his face. It's like, what do I ask more? I absolutely have everything. Well, in that case, guys, do not forget to express gratitude. I missed this 10 of cups as well. 9 of cups and 10 of cups in itself forms a cycle, guys. Completion of a cycle. Like I said, you are having best of both worlds. Okay, professionally and personally. And I would like to say touchwood 1,000 times, because it's like I always get a little worried or scared of things getting jinxed. Okay, so yes, 1,000 times touchwood, as well as I am extremely happy for whoever this is resonating or matching. Okay, temperance card wanted to show its presence. So basically this energy is asking about bringing balance. Okay, especially, guys, if you are going through a blissful and abundant and everything is working fine for you, guys, make sure you are grounded, make sure you are humble, make sure you are not swayed or carried away. Okay, be connected to your roots always. Okay, be humble always. Okay, that's the message the angels want to give you, guys. That's the energy that I'm getting over here. At the same time, if you're going through any tough period, guys, make sure you are balancing your energies out. You are taking good care of yourself. You are meditating, you are exercising. Okay, whatever it is that is needed to restore your energies and balance, do that, is what the angels are saying. Strong Sagittarian energy is coming through in this reading. I quickly want to clarify your recent past, what this transformation or death card is about, because since it's shown up with Ace of Gabriel again, which is Ace of Gabriel is, by the way, Ace of Wands, a gift of passion, opportunity and inspiration, the chance to do something amazing, a sense of wonder. Oh my goodness, guys, are you going to the Sun card. I mean, this is the only major arcana that was missing, I believe. So guys, there is Two of Cups at the bottom of the deck as well. It's a two of Raphael is Two of Cups, which is a twin flame soulmate energy. The Sun card, life is wonderful, thrive through the power of positive thinking and inspiring success. Guys, definitely, like I said, there is an angel around you and you are just purely blessed, is what I'm seeing. I have no other doubts, guys. Someone is actually blessing you from the other realm. That's what I'm thinking. And this death card is a positive energy for you. It's not a sad death card. This transformation, this change is not a sad transformation for anyone, but it definitely is a messenger or a change in a good sense, in a positive sense. And I'm so happy for you guys. Now this for some of you guys, this abundance, this prosperity could come through your partner also. Okay, through your soulmate, through your twin flame, whoever it is. Okay, through your spouse. And like I said, this energy could also bring abundance and happiness in your life. Okay, that is also what I'm getting very strongly in this energy, which is very unique and different. Like I said, I had never got such cards earlier. Okay, I don't remember at least. Anyway, let's pull some message from this beautiful deck. And I love this deck. Okay, it's quite intense. Health. I will honor the physical vessel that enshrines my soul. By the way, guys, while shuffling also, pre-shuffling also, this card had shown up, and I don't remember pulling this card from this deck for any of the signs before. So the angels definitely want you to bring or bring your attention or pay attention to your health. Okay, mental, physical, spiritual. So the temperance probably is trying to tell this. Okay, make sure that you are taking very good care of your health, mentally, physically, emotionally, whichever way. Okay, make sure you're doing that. And change. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. Like I said, I had seen, oh my goodness, so many confirmations. Like, do I need any other confirmation? Thank you, my spirit guides and angels, for being so vocal, guys. I am limitless being and I can manifest whatever I desire in the physical reality. Of course, and you guys are doing that, okay? Abundance is in your energy right away. I can see that in the tarot, and it is confirmed by the deck as well. What I was talking about is change. I told you, right? I had seen Chariot card a lot of times while pre-shuffling. It's not shown up in the main energy, but it was very much there in your energy. Expect a lot of change, expect a lot of forward progress or movement in your energy, guys. Like, expect powerful change. That's what had come through the Moonology deck while pre-shuffling, and that is confirmed over here. Okay. Let's, oh my god, let me just shuffle properly. Guys, this card flipped, and oh my god, full moon in Pisces, new moon in Pisces. See if you have Pisces in your birth chart, guys, anywhere. If so, please go and check out that reading as well. Sagittarian energy is what you need to check out. And where did it go? The Temperance definitely wants her presence to be felt, and she is carrying one and only one message, and that is balance spirituality and practicality, and meditate and contemplate. Guys, I really don't have to explain this to you, because I do not know, if not now, how and which way do the angels communicate. Okay, they are loudly and clearly and persistently communicating that please meditate and bring balance into your life if that is lacking. Okay, so guys, if you're watching this reading and if you're agreeing to this, that you need this, please do the needful. Tarot is not just for listening and shoving it away. It is a tool that actually gives you very vocal, loud and clear indicators what you need to do. Okay, only then will you be able to see the results. And well, I really don't want to elaborate this further. I'm just going to switch on to the charms. I have not been pulling charms for quite some readings, quite some months, and I thought I might as well do it this time. Okay, so let's pull some charms and conclude the reading. This wanted to come, like I had just put it back, and still again it has come. It's like a light. I don't know what it is, but I believe that I'm again kind of matching or joining this dot, that shine up the light. Okay, seek the guidance within from your own inner self. Definitely meditate, guys. You really need it. I'm not I'm not doubtful about that. Clock. Wow, what a lovely message. Somehow this clock is telling me that time is in your favor, guys, is what I'm feeling. It's your time now to rise and shine. If I'm not wrong, I would like to just connect this with the tarot cards that we have got, and I feel that it is your time now to rise and shine. Okay, after a lot of hard work and hardships, it's your time to just experience the bliss. Wow, talk about reaching for the stars, and here you go, Aquarian energy. Guys, it's really your time, and it's confirmed by the angels. Just go and reach for the stars. See your wishes and dreams coming true right away. Wow. Life is a gift, of course it is. And I mean, what else can you call this reading? Okay, it indeed is a gift, and you must cherish it, even if it is not filled with so much of abundance and bliss. Still you should cherish it as a gift. Okay, it's anyway too short. and the letter S, initial S, if at all it means anything to you guys. Okay, any person, place, thing, object, pet that reminds you of this initial. Okay, S. Yeah. Okay, I'll leave it at that, Torrance. It was a wonderful reading, guys, and I hope you liked it. Okay, I'll see you next month directly. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.